Time for your final listening example and assignment. This is it. For listening for week 13, you're going to explore various examples of Onyx Ashanti's beat jazz system. This is going to be cool. Normally, this would be a really cool example of what you can do with interactive computer music, but COVID, we're not going to be doing really interactive pieces for your final, so consider this a prelude to what we'll be doing in interactive computer music, MUS 4711. Ashanti is, in my view, one of the most interesting people out there as both a composer and a performer. His work is focused on the idea of controllerism, creating custom hardware to control the manipulation of a DAW or a programming language in real time. Specifically, he's using Pure Data, which is a programming language that is very, very closely related to Max MSP, which you'll be learning in MUS 4711. This approach allows for really, really natural gestures that mimic traditional instruments or that open up new avenues for the performers to express themselves. Beat Jazz is Ashanti's major project. It's a hardware-software hybrid platform that allows the performer to use fingering gestures to play notes and to transform samples while giving them easy access to looping and manipulation of audio from a microphone or pre-recorded samples, all in real time using custom glove controllers. It is incredibly, incredibly cool. There are 3 examples: the Beat Jazz explanation, how Beat Jazz works, and then a live performance at the Loophole in Berlin. For your final assignment, we're focusing on loops. Using a minimum of 4 tracks in your DAW, 1 microphone, I want you to create a short 60-second piece that uses loops of material from your primary instrument or voice, if you're not an instrumentalist. The loops need to start at 00, at 15 seconds, 30 seconds, and 45 seconds, and should build on previous material, culminating in all parts playing their loop at the same time. You may use any number of additional effects to alter the sound, and you can also use pre-recorded clips on additional channels, but you do have to have those 4 channels of loops. All volume, panning, and effects must be automated. As a hint, pre-plan this. Make sure that your loops will sync with each other. Write out the notes you want played and look at them. Do you have something clashing, like a G and G sharp in the same measure or on the same beat? You might want to fix that. Sketch out your ideas and then record individual loops ahead of time. Go through, edit them, warp them, quantize them rhythmically. This is much harder than you might think when you're doing this at first.